Hey mommy, hey mommy, hey mommy, hey mommy, hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy.
I'm Samira here, and today I will be doing a Nerf war contest. Starting a Nerf war contest. Let's see, and it starts today on August 18th, and ends on September 18th. So 1 month to send your video responses. So yep, just send the video responses to a response of this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how to do it. And yeah, I try to get the videos in. Like, I will let some people have a little bit longer if like they send me a comment saying, oh man, I'm still working on one, can I spend a little bit longer? Yeah, then I'll just say fine, but you'll have to have it in like a week after that, at least, or at maximum, so that's the least I can do for you. So now getting on to the prize. First prize is a channel comment from me, comment on all your videos from me, 3 subscriptions from me, NerfTroops970, my friend NerfSoldiers971, and our combined channel, BISA Film. Now, you'll also get a personal message as well. So now, second prize, you're going to get 1 subscription from me and comment on all your videos from me and a channel comment. A third prize is 1 subscription only from me and a channel comment from me. That's like all I can do. Alright, so get subscribing, rate, comment, like, favorite, add me, and yeah, so get into me as fast as you can, because I might give the first ones into the contest an advantage, because I like things coming quick and I don't like waiting. And alright, so get your videos in as fast as you can. Alright, see you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again on September 18th.
Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you beautiful. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey, can I get that number? Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy.